The first battle of the day happens before you even open your eyes. It's the battle against the blanket, the comfort, the warmth. Your brain begs you, just 5 more minutes. It's cold outside. You worked hard yesterday. If you lose this first battle, you have already lost the day. Marcus Aurelius, the emperor of Rome, struggled with this too. He wrote to himself, "At dawn, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself, I have to go to work as a human being." Today, we break the cycle of laziness. Here are 7 Stoic morning habits to build unbreakable discipline. Habit number 1. Conquer the morning immediately. Do not hit the snooze button. The snooze button is a defeat. It tells your subconscious that your comfort is more important than your mission. The Stoics believed in doing what nature demands. Birds don't hit snooze. Ants don't hit snooze. Why should you? When the alarm rings, count 2, 3, ... and physically jump out of bed. Action kills hesitation. Habit number 2. Own the silence. What is the first thing 99% of people do? They grab their phone. They scroll. They let the world invade their mind. A Stoic protects his mind. Before you consume the chaos of the world, find stillness. No email, no news, no social media for the first 30 minutes. Be alone with your thoughts. This builds mental armor. Habit number 3. Prepare the mind. Marcus Aurelius wrote his meditations not for us, but for himself, usually in the morning, in a tent on the war front. Take a notebook. Write down what you are grateful for, but more importantly, write down what you are afraid of. Put your anxieties on paper. Once they are written down, they are no longer monsters in your heads. They are just words. On a page, you control them. Habit number 4. Voluntary hardship. Seneca said, "We treat the body too softly, and so it rebels against the slightest discomfort." Do something difficult immediately: a cold shower, a hard workout, a run in the rain. You are training your brain to love friction. If you can handle the freezing water, you can handle the annoying email. Habit number 5. Visualizing the obstacles. We talked about this in the last video. Premeditatium malorum. Take 2 minutes to visualize what could go wrong today. The traffic might be bad. The meeting might be boring. Accept it now, so you don't get angry later. Habit number 6. Memento mori. Remember, you will die. This isn't morbid. It is the ultimate productivity hack. Ask yourself, if today were the last day of my life, would I want to do what I am about to do? Stop wasting time on nonsense. Stop holding grudges. You don't have time for that. You are dying right now. Habit number 7. Focus on the essential. A Stoic does not do busy work. He does effective work. Pick one major task for the day. The one thing that actually moves the needle, and attack it first. Before you check email, before you help others, do your duty. Discipline is not a talent. It is a muscle. Every morning you wake up, you are in the gym of life. Will you stay in bed and lose? Or will you rise and conquer? The choice is yours. If you are ready to build an iron mind, subscribe to the Inner Citadel and comment below, "I will rise."